Good morning, Moto World. How are you? Hope everybody's doing well today. I'm out for my walk. Look at that sky. Beautiful. Enjoying it. Every step I take, I feel that much better. Hope to continue. Stay on the weight loss journey. Get more healthy. So, as everybody knows, we purchased a trike. Our first Harley Davidson. It just fit me, and it fit us the best. Sure hope everything goes okay with it, you know. It's definitely an interesting ride. To learn how to ride a trike is something different. I borrowed one last year, shot some videos with it. Probably wouldn't have been the smartest thing to go out on the first time riding one, take it to the tail of the dragon, but that's exactly what we did. Absolutely loved it. It was weird. It took me a couple days to get used to it. A lot of upper body strength you need to use, but it was kind of nice. Didn't have to put my feet down. For those that don't know, I have a bad leg. It makes staying up on two wheels a little difficult sometimes, especially two up, fully loaded with, 100 plus pounds of gear. Makes it hard to get that leg off sometimes. Hopefully it goes okay. I'm keeping my two wheels for sure. And now, need everybody's thoughts. Truck getting ready to go by. So, what do? Do we merge the three-wheel into the two-wheel, or make a separate channel for it? Maybe something my wife can mess around with. Ben's my first bike is named after her. Second one probably will be too. But we've already picked a name. Not going to tell you what it is. And I'll disclose it when I get the bike put back together. Right now I have it torn apart, doing a lot of upgrades. Just simple things. It was so much easier to do that. But we'll see. Well, everybody have a great day. Happy hump day. And get out and enjoy even that. Still loving these gloves. It's 40 degrees. The wind is blowing. I don't feel anything through them, and they're on low. All right, well, take care. More on those later.